Okay, all I hear is about people just bitching about this crypto crash, and I think, guys, you see the silver lining here. All the NFTs are half price, so you should take advantage of it. I'm gonna show you some projects that you could really take advantage of with this crypto crash. I'm Lisa, this is NFT Rex, let's go. Yeah, so first of the two projects for the night is Mass Gang with a Z. And yes, so it is 10K NFT collection by this person. I will talk about him maybe a little bit later on. So he's also joined with the two other guys. So the three guys, they decided to start their own NFT collection. All three of them are artists. And it shows, I mean, look at this. Fuck, this is really, really freaking good. I love the art. The min date is to be decided. Discord is open, so anyone can join. Feel free to jump right in. So almost 40k followers here. Pretty freaking decent. Yeah, once again, the art just... Yeah, I'm stunned. I love it. Yeah, you can really see the founder of this collection are actually artists. So not businessmen, none of that. Artists. So all three of them have quite a decent following on Twitter, and they're using it to promote their NFT collections. Why not? I would do the same. And sadly, their website is still kind of just loading, so not ready yet, but yes. Okay, so these guys, they have a previous success, and this is something I think we should all appreciate. Yes, they have this collection, Masked Villains, and the floor price of 0.4 is pretty decent in my book. So this was a collection of not that many pieces, and now they are releasing a collection of 10k. So this one was sold out, Masked Villains, so I see no reason why the other one would not be sold out too. I would like to take a look at the art for another second. It is kind of slightly animated, but looking so sick. I mean, take your pick. I mean, 0.4 is not that much for the floor. I mean, just a few of them are 0.5, but I think I'm just gonna get myself one of these just for the flex. Okay, this one, middle finger. I think I might get this one. Yeah, as you're all probably wondering, how do I get my whitelist for this amazing project? And yeah, so you can be a holder of at least one of these collections. You can see them over here on their Discord, and Discord is open for everyone, so feel free to join. And also, yes, to participate in contests on Twitter and Discord. Okay, the usual stuff. Activate support in the community, sure. And they are partners, so I guess not that uncommon ways of getting whitelists, and I think not that difficult, especially if you're a holder. Well, anyway, good luck. Okay, this one, Ashfang Tribe, this may be the most complicated project I've ever stumbled upon, but they are really good, so we can forgive them for the complexities. It is 3,333 Ashfang on Ethereum, and art by this person, tech contact, and contact for partnerships, Discord inquiries. Okay, so they do have a pretty doxed team over here, and I don't know, that is always encouraging. And the following, wow, okay, this is 130k followers, and please take into account that this is from November 2021, so this is not just something they want to do real quick, get the money. No, it has shown thus far, for those people taking their time, to have a lot of success in the NFT community. And another thing that I think is worth mentioning, engagement on everything they do on Twitter is amazing. So there is so many people who are really excited and believe in this project, and that is what dictates the price, of course. So definitely worth our time. Okay, so this little thing, Parasites project, yes, the founder for this project and the one we are talking about is the same. And I mean, in my book, this is kind of decently successful project sold out. So, and most importantly, they have experience, they know how to do it. There are more links. I mean, so many people, so many communities related with this particular project, and that is why the following, I mean, 130k guys, is a freaking lot. This is the head of the community affairs in the Ashfang Tribe. Okay, so 18k, wow, pretty good. But this is the previous collection. So Ashfang collection, it is 136 items, and the floor price is 3.87 guys. So this is nothing to joke about, and the art is looking, I don't know if this is your style, but to me, it looks different. That is, art must look different in my opinion, and this one definitely is. They say it is based on the Filipino Yes, Filipino mythology. Never heard of Filipino mythology. Looks pretty good. And this is another project from the same founder. And yes, so this one has only 3 one-out-of-one pieces. And I don't know, maybe I like everything, but yeah, these are looking pretty good, especially this one. This one is so cool. It is the most expensive one. It is still holding 1.5 Ethereum for it. So and yeah, definitely we should talk about their Discord. This is where the complexity happens. So yeah, so first FAQ. When mint, they say the TBA mint, the roles. Okay, so they said get noticed. They are really emphasizing you being noticed on the channel. And yes, it really works. If you're really noticed, if you really engage with the community genuinely, organically, a whitelist is almost guaranteed. They have different roles. And the first one, Himawa. Yeah, so if you hold 1 or 2 pieces from the Ashman collection, you will get access to private channels and get 2 ballot airdrops per week. And the second one, you need 3 to 6 pieces and you will get of course some stronger perks. Of course here 7+, and if you have 1-out-of-1 pieces, most of all the people, you will get some special benefits. So these 2 collections, both of them look really cool. I mean, I'm definitely getting in on both of them. And of course you can do your own research and tell me what you think in the comments. May the odds be ever in your favor.